Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the side button. Keep holding it for 5 to 10 seconds, I believe. Basically until the watch turns off, and then you can release it. So let's press and hold the button. Keep holding it. After the screen turns off, wait for 2 or 3 more seconds, and then release the button. And you should see the Realme logo on the screen, and after that the watch will boot into a system. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.